How to fix Windows Update error. Hey everybody, in today's tutorial, we're going to see a few ways to fix the Windows Update error on your Windows PC. The very first thing you want to do here is simply open up your settings menu and check for updates. I'll just go ahead and right click on the start menu, go to settings, and then find Windows Update on the left hand side of your screen. From your Windows Update, make sure that your updates aren't paused. So click on the drop down, make sure that this is not paused. Then you want to make sure that you check this box or this toggle to get the latest updates as soon as they're available. Once you do that, you can just go to your advanced option and then turn on all of these options to receive updates of other Microsoft updates, get me up to date, and then download updates over a metered connection as well. You could also notify when a restart is required to finish updating. So you can just turn all of these on. After doing so, the next step is to actually uninstall your previous updates. So go over to this PC, and then from your PC, what you want to do is I'll just head over to this, go to this PC, go to your C drive, and then find your Windows. Then scroll down until you find a software distribution folder. Once you have it, double click on it and then click on download. So you'll see all of your previous downloaded software updates. You don't require any of these, so press any one of them. Select all by pressing Ctrl+A, Shift Delete, and it's going to permanently delete all of these items. Allow the permission for administrator to delete, and you're good to go. Now, after doing so, you want to check your services. Go to your search bar and then search for services and hit enter. Tap on any one of them and then type in W, and it's going to take you over to Windows Update. So from here, you just want to go ahead and find Windows Update. If you don't see it, just go ahead and search for Windows Update over here. I'll just find it, and then once you find Windows Update, right click on it and then go to Properties. Make sure the startup type is automatic and not disabled. Now, if it isn't started, you could just click on Start, and if it's already started and running, click on Stop once, and then click on Start again. Now, then click on Apply, and then OK. Then after this, restart your PC once, and it should be good to go, and you should be getting your Windows updates. The final thing you can do is run a troubleshooter for Windows. Go ahead and open up Settings, find System on the left hand side, scroll down until you find Troubleshoot, and then click on it. Go to our other troubleshooters, and then find Windows Update. Now run this troubleshooter for Windows Update, and if it finds any problem with it, it's going to automatically fix it, and you'll be good to go. That's basically it, guys. If you found the tutorial helpful, hit the like button down below, subscribe to our channel, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Thanks for watching.